what's good? We back at it. Project FD Drift RX-7. Today we're going to be installing our Tein Super Drift coilovers. Just do a review on these real quick. Quick unbox. So you can see it was a up garage. I got it from a guy up in Washington, I think it was. Gave me a pretty good deal on these. They're very good condition. Actually, I'll show you here. There we are. Tein Super Drifts. Front left. We have to adjust the preload on these. Just tighten those up and then adjust our ride height. This is the front. Let's actually grab the other front. Actually, this is a rear, sorry. My mistake. Tein rear. Doesn't specify what side, but again, just a preload, ride height, and we should be good. Front right. Same shit, preload, ride height. Bushings are in pretty good condition. For some reason, these don't have any camber plates. I don't know. I guess FDs don't really have camber adjustments on for the coilovers. But I guess that's why we have this upper control on the camber. And lease. Another rear. Super Drifts rear. So we're gonna throw these bad boys onto our chassis here. I'm just gonna do a quick rundown of how I remove the factory ones. If you can find them, yeah, there they are. They're like right there. All that garbage, yeah, that was a pile of shit. So for the fronts, we pretty much just goes in like right there. Whoa. Remove these two bolts. Slide this out. Kind of leans over this way. Then take off this nut down here, and the coilover should go right out through here. Everything's triangle on these cars. Literally, they weren't playing when they meant Dorito power. Same thing on the other side. Let me just show you on the rear. Sway bar link connects the coilover in the back. That's why they're a lot shorter. Pretty much unbolted here. Put a 17-inch wrench there to hold it, to hold this little thing there. And then you just unscrew it, and then your top 3 screws on the interior, and it should roll right out. So we're gonna put these coilovers in. We're gonna install these coilovers, and then we're gonna drop the whole rear subframe once we get our diff up there as well. So once we put our diff in, coilovers will be on. I won't tie in the tops, the hats on them, because I'm gonna drop the entire rear subframe once I get the diff on there. So, you know, because I got to do the brakes, dual caliper brakes on this, run all the lines, my fuel tank, run all fuel lines and all, make sure everything is good. Tighten this up really well, go through all the bolts, make sure everything is legit, and then we'll install the whole rear subframe back on. So for install, here we go.